Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tutorials by Nitin. I really hope that you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to create silhouette effect in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the tutorial. Here is our subject. Here is our background. We have two images. Now first we have to select our subject. So duplicate the layer and go to select and subject. Now create a mask on it and drag this layer on our background. Now convert it into Smart Object. Transform the image by pressing Ctrl T and adjust the image according to your background. So press enter. Now we have to do last step, that is create a levels adjustment layer, and first create a clipping mask by pressing this button. Now go to this slider and slightly goes to towards black. I think this is enough. Don't fill the object layer directly, fill with a black color. Use levels adjustment layer, because here is our some details with the help of levels. If we will fill black color on our subject layer, that will remove our details like this. Rasterize layer and fill with black color. That's looking not good, so we have to create levels adjustment layer to create this effect. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed my today's tutorial. Please hit the like button, and for any query, comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.